Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I have not been on here in a long time, but we're going to be making a super fun, easy bow tonight, or a wreath tonight. If you have watched my Facebook, you saw that I just did a live today. This it's probably not today, but this probably won't get posted till tomorrow. But we made the super easy buffalo check wreath that I have over here. I will show you it. We made this super simple buffalo check grapevine wreath. So what we're going to do is we're going to make exact same one, but for this one we are going to be using red and black buffalo check instead of the white and black. So I'm pulling the camera down and we're going to get this thing started. So if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out tremendously. If you have not already followed my Facebook page over at MB Crafts, go over and do that. We have tons of people on there. I go live over there quite often, and I'm actually planning on going live on here soon. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that, guys. My thing is not in all the way, but we're going to use our easy bow maker to make a simple bow. So let's do that quick. So I did about a 13-inch tail. This is 4-inch ribbon, y'all. 4-inch ribbon. So super fun, super fun ribbon. I love working with 4-inch ribbon when I can. I don't work with it too often because I just don't get a lot of 4-inch ribbon that I like. And I don't like it in every design just because sometimes it's too big. It's not always my thing, but for this wreath, I think it helps bring out some color and it helps fill in our wreath a little bit more with the ribbons. So I'm sorry I haven't posted on here, you guys, for all my YouTube friends on here. We haven't been on in a while. But if you guys are not following my Facebook, go over there and follow that. And then go on over and follow the TikTok that we just started. And we are posting different little fun tutorials on there as well. That is MB Crafts. So this is MB Creations, which is the YouTube. MB Crafts is my Facebook and my TikTok. And then MB Crafts by Max is my Etsy shop. So go over there and check that out as well. And you can find all my lovely designs over there. But yeah, I'm on Facebook the most. I think if you're wanting to see me a lot and design more, I would go over to Facebook. But I want to start doing lives on here, so I have been getting those friends from TikTok over Facebook over here, so we can design on here more. So I did one loop on each side of this one. Now we're gonna go in with this 2.5-inch burlap ribbon. We're going to go a little bit shorter, and we're going to do 2 loops on each side for this one. I like to alternate it. Now I didn't have any 1.5-inch buffalo check black and white 1.5-inch ribbon, so we're going to be using a different type of ribbon. It's not buffalo check, but it has got all the colors in it, so it should be just fine. I'm not worried. It'll still turn out beautiful. I've been so busy, you guys, that it's been crazy, you guys. I have school now, because if you guys don't know, I'm in school. I'm a junior in high school, so I've been super busy with that. And yes, so we did 2 on each side of this, you guys, and then we're going to come in lastly with this ribbon. It's not buffalo check, but it's got all the colors in it, so I think it's going to work fine. I like the way it looks, so I'm not worried. If someone doesn't like it, then they won't buy the wreath. But I think it just will fit in perfectly. Doesn't have to be exactly buffalo check. As long as we have one buffalo check, we should be fine, right? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. That way Facebook or YouTube knows that my content is awesome and you guys love my content and they'll promote me more, which was awesome and helps me out tremendously. Every day I've been getting more followers on here, so it's been awesome. We're almost to 5,000 followers on Facebook, so like I said, I have the biggest community over there. I do actual wreath kits now, you guys, where you can buy the wreath kits online or on my Etsy shop, and then I do go on live on Facebook and I create the wreath kit for you. So I show you how to create it, so you can go along with me. So that's super fun. So if you're interested in that, go over and I usually spread, guys, I'm like talking like gibberish today. I usually go and I share that all on that over on my Facebook. So that's where you're gonna get the most updates. Here, I'm only gonna craft a little bit every once in a while, but I'm trying to get on here more just because I want to grow my community on YouTube. Because I know not everyone has Facebook. So what I'm gonna do is I put a zip tie around that helps keep it closed, and I put a pipe cleaner behind that zip tie and I pull it tight to finish it off, cut the snipper off, and then we start fluffing our bow. So we do our big 4-inch ribbon there, our 2.5 inches on each side of it, pull them over, kind of yank on it a little bit. You guys, you tell your ribbon where you want it to go. Yank that over there. Put these 2 ribbons there, put our center loop in the middle, and drop down our 2 tails for each side. And just like that, you guys, you have a super fun bow. You guys can see that, I probably can't. Super fun little bow. We'll pull it up a little bit, y'all. There we go. Super cute. Okay, so we're gonna put this away. Grab our grapevine. This is gonna be on a grapevine wreath. This is an 18-inch grapevine floral wreath form. I got these ones you can get from all over. This came in a pack I bought from Joann's. I bought the whole pack. I think it came like 5 of them. I still had to pay the same price for them, but I just got them all as one big thing and I didn't have to pick through them. So we just attach it to the grapevine. Like so. Like so. Pull these down. Next thing you're going to do is you're just going to dovetail your ends of your ribbons. So cut from the folded end to the outside. Don't do it the opposite way or you will have a triangle instead of a V. And it won't look the best. It's one common mistake I get a lot of when I'm teaching people how to dovetail. So I hope everyone's been great on here. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Make sure you guys hit some comments down below. Ask me any questions y'all have. No matter if it's about my Facebook, my Etsy shop, my TikTok, my personal life, how I'm doing. Haven't caught up with you guys in a while. So, there is our bow up here. So we got our bow on the side. Now we're just gonna start adding greenery. So I have 2 things of greenery somewhere. Right here is greenery. So we got some of this fun greenery. I'm gonna rip these off. Rip these off. These came from Hobby Lobby, I think. I fold this in half, like so. That way it's not so long. Just because I don't like it being so darn long. Drives me nuts. And it's so thick that I can't cut it or clip it off. So I'm gonna try making these videos on here, you guys, much shorter, not an hour video anymore. I'm trying to make them super short so you guys can get what you need out of it, get your enjoyment, but not be here watching a 1,000,000-hour video. If you want more of a technique and where I go in depth, you're gonna go over on my Facebook. That's where I actually go in and teach how to make the whole wreath. I sit there and chit chat with you. I ask any questions. So that is where you'll be able to do it over there if that's more of your style and more of what you like to watch. Like I said, I'm gonna start to try to go live on here more, just because I want to build my community over here on YouTube. For all my YouTube members, right? So I'm just taking some floral wire, y'all, and all I'm doing is I'm just taking it and wrapping it around this stem where I bent it. That way it can't bend back, if you know what I'm trying to say. Like, it went around there. That way these can't bend back out and go anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue skillet that's over here. I'm going to dip this end of the stem right into this hot glue. Get a nice even layer. Make sure there's enough on there that it's going to be able to stick. And then we're going to get this bad boy down in there. Start kind of spreading him around a little bit. Get him down in there. One up on top. And then the same exact thing down here to the bottom. Nice even layer, like I said, right underneath the bow, y'all. I go straight right underneath. Make sure it's nice and secure down in there. And have it pop right out the bottom. So, look at that. Greenery on both sides. You could stop right there if you wanted to, but if you know me, I like to go all out. Not all out, like I don't go and spend $1 million on these, but I like to add a little bit more to it. So, by saying that, I have decided, and I have broke one of my picks, so honestly, I haven't decided. I think I might want to go with the red berries instead of the black. We need a stem of these two. So these are what we're going to be using as well, are just these super fun buffalo check balls. That's what our inspiration was. So I love these things. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 things of berries. As you can see, I'm going in like pairs. So I'm doing one on each side. I'm making it nice and even. So it is super simple. I was telling my Facebook friends before when I went live and I taught them how to make a wreath like this, these are nice shop fillers, you guys. If you own an Etsy shop or a Shopify, or if you have craft fairs, these are fillers. You don't, these are like what you're gonna sell as just simple, need to get something out into your shop, or you need something simple to make it look like you have more than you do, but you don't have time to go out and make an hour-long wreath. You don't need that. You can always make shop fillers. I love making just different simple wreaths like this that only take me less than 20 minutes to make and are super easy and super simple, but still are nice. You don't want to go out and make all these nice wreaths and then go and make some shop fillers that are all crappy and don't look like you. Make sure it still looks like your brand and like your work and not anything crappy. I'm not saying go out and make a super cheap Dollar Tree wreath that doesn't look good. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you want something else simple, but not as time consuming. You need something that's less time consuming just to add to your shop, because you know we don't have time to sit here and make 1,000 of these super hour to 2 hour long wreaths and expect to have a full shop with all that, because we all have lives. We all don't have time to do something like that, you guys. So these are what I call my little shop fillers. I was also saying that instead of adding all these picks in like I'm doing now, all you would have to do is go to Hobby Lobby, go to Joann's, go to Michael's, go online, go to Deco Exchange, Craft Outlet, Wreath Shop, buy 2 identical greenery picks with maybe like some berries and some different greeneries in it that's already got a pick, maybe a $10 pick. Buy 2 of them, put them 2 together, almost like you're making a swag, put a bow in the middle and stack it on this wreath like what we're doing. Have a pick coming out this way and a pick out coming out that way, and it would be super easy, super simple, and it would be super inexpensive, you guys. That's another way to make a shop filler. Okay, these are super heavy, so heavy duty, you guys. So we're gonna just kind of bend these out and just kind of just start adding into our wreath. These are just there for some fun stuff. This is what kind of inspired me to make these wreaths, is these little balls that I found at Hobby Lobby. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with Hobby Lobby, so I shop there all the time. So I was there today, you guys. I'm not helping with my idea of trying to save some money. But you know, you guys, when it's Christmas, you guys, I always go out with a bang. So, this is super simple, you guys. Anyone can do this. This is not your everyday, this is your everyday super simple wreath that does not take an hour long. This, honestly, you guys, if I wasn't teaching this, I could whip these out in 10 minutes tops. But I'm gonna kind of come in here and kind of explain how I'm doing this to you guys, so you guys know how to do it, which is totally fine. I have no problem doing that for you guys. And there's one. I was listening to music before I came on here, you guys, so if I'm singing, I have some songs stuck in my head. There, you guys, look at that. Is super fun, right? Now we just have 2 more stems to go down here on the bottom, so we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put these. Almost all these supplies and picks came from Hobby Lobby, you guys, and they were all 40% off, so super cheap. Like, they were all 40% off, so this greenery was only like $2.99, but it was also 40% off, so it only came to like $1.79, you guys. So, it's a great, easy wreath, and it doesn't cost you $1 million, which I love about it. Sometimes you have to have, if you have a shop, you can't always have more real expensive ones. Sometimes you have to have some cheaper wreaths, but you still want to have good products. You don't want to make a cheap wreath, well then say, well then I have to go to the dollar store, because you can find great products, you guys, for cheap. You just have to be searching for it. And just like that, y'all, we completed this. Look at how simple this was. Look how simple that turned out, you guys. All we did was make a simple bow. If you can't make a bow, either practice one, buy a pre-made bow, or purchase a bow offline, someone that made one. And it is super simple, you guys. Anyone can do this. I love making wreaths like this. I just love, sometimes, you guys, I said when I was doing Facebook, sometimes these simple ones, you guys, are the ones I love the most. But look at this. These are super fun shop fillers, and it's super cute. Super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys stick around for some more videos. Like I said, I'm going to try to get more videos going on here on this YouTube channel, just because I know I've been slacking lately. I mean, in the last couple of months. But I apologize for that, you guys. I've been getting a lot of stuff done. My shop, my business has been growing like tremendously, and I've been just planning on doing. I have so many things planned that I want to do. I'm teaching classes for different places and stuff. So, yes, you guys all have a great rest of your day or night or whenever time you're watching this. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.